So just to clarify, the 066 error on a T1 Miele. There's a lot of videos asking you to clean the filters and special soap on the filters and a lot of stuff, and nothing works. Maybe it works for you, but ChatGPT asking you to clean this pump, the drain pump, which is not the issue either, because 066 is an airflow issue. And when you open those machines, there will always be a lot of dust on the outside. So this is the top from the machine. You will able to see that, and to take that off, you need to strip off all these wires here, so you're able to get it up. And once you have done that, you can see the airflow here is kind of okay. You can clean it with a toothbrush, which you will never use again. But the real problem is, this is the cool side, this is the hot side. You can see here a thin layer of dust is actually blocking. So if you take your toothbrush and just do like this, you will see that this surface is totally blocked with a fine layer of dust. So this is the problem, that the airflow is blocked with very, very small particles of clothing. So this filter in the front was supposed to keep this out. So it has not done its job, but once this area is cleaned, take a vacuum cleaner that can take it out there so it just doesn't reappear. Once this is cleaned, you can actually see here that it's clean, and here it's not. You can see it's not clean at all. So this will clear the 066 failure on the tumble dryer that are with a heating pump like this one. So it's a lot of work to take this apart. There are several videos that describes this process, but yeah, if you're skilled and you have a lot of time, this is the way to go, because it's actually saying that the air is blocked, and it is truly blocked.